Hi, I'm Liam.
I'm Jules.
And this is Parkour Kids. What's up guys, welcome back to Parkour Kids. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a backflip on these air mats. Eventually we're going to be able to do it onto the grass itself, but today we're going to use the air mats because they give you a little bit more bounce, and also it's a lot softer so you don't get hurt. So how to do a backflip is you should stand like this with your legs slightly bent like this, and then when you're jumping, what you have to do is you have to swing your arms up to get really high like this, okay? And the rotation is, it goes like this. I'm going to do it on the ground because it'll be easy to demonstrate in the air. So what you have to do is you go like this, swing your arms up and bring your legs to tucking and go all the way over. And there's two ways of tucking. You can tuck with your hands on your shins, or you can tuck underneath your legs. Both the ways are pretty practical. Okay, so let's try one. Okay, so when you're practicing a backflip, you can get somebody to spot you. So the way you spot is you have to put your arm behind the person's back and make sure to hold them up, and like that when they're doing the flip, then they don't fall as easy. And also if they're having a lot of trouble, you can rotate the legs over like this, and we'll show you what it looks like when we're doing it. So that was how to do a backflip, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed the video and it was helpful for you guys. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to look up some more tips and tricks on parkour and circus gym and stuff like that.
Okay guys, now we're going to do a parkour roll. So how you do a roll is that you need to put your head on. I'm just going to show you how it actually looks. So you roll on your shoulder and then down your spine, well not your spine, your side of your back, and then you have to go kind of like sideways, and then it looks like this. So yeah, and it makes you it makes you protect yourself so you don't get hurt or anything. The reason of these air mats is because they make you safe and they don't like make you bang your head on the ground, and they're much softer, and you can bounce really high.